Hey guys, it's Mark Holthe. I'm just jumping on here quick on a Friday at 2:15 p.m. Mountain Time. I was looking at my offer because I knew it was going to be coming to an end for monthly access to my Express Entry complete step-by-step guide to doing it yourself. I was having a special Father's Week promotion where you could get that for just a fraction of the regular cost, which is $48.50. Well, I just realized that I had set the coupon to expire one day early. So I've got all these people who have been requesting to join the Canadian Immigration Institute, which usually people do, and then no one was purchasing the course, and I couldn't figure out why, because usually there's a heavy influx of people who register for the Canadian Immigration Institute and then purchase the course. Well, now I realize why, because my offer had already expired yesterday. So I am so sorry. I want to apologize to everyone for that. And for those of you who are wondering what I'm talking about this special little offer. You can look up above in the banner image for Express Entry Law Private Facebook group, and you'll see there all the instructions, where to access it, the coupon code that you use. Before, the coupon code was FATHER50. It was, I'm going to shift this out, and I'm going to click on this one. Let's see if I can get it straight. No, that's not it. This one. So it used to be this right here, or I should say it used to be Father50, but now here's the proper coupon code. So if you want to access it, you do that by typing in Father50 Plus. And for those of you who are wondering what I'm talking about here and are watching this for the first time, here's our site. You just go right here to, wow, I've got a bunch going on here. You go right here to the Canadian Immigration Institute page, and while you're here, you click on Enroll in Course, choose the monthly membership subscription, click on Enroll, and once you're here, you can access the 50% off by clicking on Add a Coupon, and then just typing in Father50 Plus. It doesn't matter whether it's capitals or otherwise, and you apply, and that will then give you it for only $48.50 USD. So I want to apologize once again, everybody, for that oversight. And so you've got one more day to access the course, and then that deal is going to come to an end. But I want to wish all of you guys a very, very wonderful and happy weekend, and I look forward to seeing everybody on Tuesday, and I'll bring this up here. Tuesday, June 25th, we're going to talk all about dependent family members and some of the challenges that can happen when you're trying to apply for permanent residence through Express Entry, but maybe you've got some uncooperative family members that don't want to get a medical or a police certificate, and it's causing grief with your application. So then we're going to cover that and answer a ton more questions next Tuesday, this Tuesday, June 25th. And remember, this is going to be a special time. It will be at noon Mountain Standard Time. Okay? All right. This is Mark Holthe, your friendly neighborhood founder of the Express Entry Law Private Facebook group. And remember, actually, I'll tell you one other thing. Remember that the video is going to be broadcast in the Canadian Immigration Institute Facebook page. So that's where. So make sure that you go there, like it, and then you'll be notified that the video is going live. And we'll also try to promote it to the Express Entry Law Private Facebook group, a little share, so that everybody knows when I'm going live. But Tuesday, June 25th at noon, I think is what I said. Yes, that's when we're going to be doing it. All right, guys, it was a pleasure. And remember, you've got till the end of tomorrow to take advantage of this 50% off sale for the Express Entry complete step-by-step video guide. And if you just punch in the coupon code FATHER50 Plus, remember the plus sign at the end, which is this one right here, you will then be able to get that 50% off. All right. Thanks so much, guys. Have a wonderful, wonderful weekend, and I'll see you guys later. Mark Holthe, Canadian immigration lawyer, ex-immigration officer, and former high school teacher, telling you, well, goodbye, and wishing you all the best as you navigate this crazy world we call Express Entry. See you.